tweaking out eating chicken in the middle of the road. And another rapper was fighting battles to stay awake while sipping lean. These are the best moments of rappers who were seen completely tweaking out live. Starting things off with Gucci Mane, because all the way back in 2009, he went viral after completely geeking out while smoking up in an interview.
This is called Kyle's YouTube title, Gucci Rolls a Cigarette. Gucci rolls a cigarette.
Whatever he was smoking must have been on another level, because as soon as he lights the blunt and takes the first drag, he starts rambling and singing.
Like the bubble, the blood clot bomb. I smoke the ganja.